Hey guys, what's today? Happy Thursday, August the 26th it is. So it's around 6:03. When I just left the truck, it was 6:03. I'm just now getting home, and I said, let me come down here and come. Y'all hear the sounds? Y'all know where I'm at. Can y'all hear the water? Oh my God, can you hear the water? But anyway, came down here just to get a little bit of good energy before I go home. Drinking me some Herbalife raspberry tea that I picked up from this nutritional tea shop. I'll show you guys the flyer that I got from a lady who sells them. So yeah, hope you all are having an amazing day, a great day. Today is a day of abundance, y'all. I know we haven't done no tea time, but today is a day of abundance. Be great in all you do. Be real in all you do. Be blessed in all that you do. And then also too, thank you all guys so much for coming on to my hi.
You a vlogger?
Huh?
You a vlogger?
Yes. Oh, thank you. Oh yes, do it. Do it. What is it? Yes. Simply Natural Black Life. Yeah, you send me, then I'll do you. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you. Y'all see that? That is, what did I just say? Today is a day of abundance. He just stopped me and asked me was I a vlogger. Yeah, so good energy, good energy. But yeah, I'm going to turn this camera off. I just wanted to say hi to y'all. And then I'm going to show y'all a little bit what I can see. And then after that, I'll go home and then we'll see how that pot is going, okay? All right, thank you guys for tuning into my live yesterday. And thank you for all my new subscribers, all my old subscribers. Thank you so very much. Hold on. Well, hold the line, y'all. We're going to go down these steps. Oh, they steep. These are just some things I didn't show y'all last time, I don't think. To get to the other side, you have to go through here. You have to duck down and go through there, but I'm not going through there. Not by myself. So let's continue through here. And, oh, y'all, it's really misty again. You can see it from here. So hopefully I can get some really good, ooh, wait. Peace be still, my Lord. Peace be still. Oh, Lord, blessings to my friend. May he rest in your presence. God is a God of abundance, y'all. Look at this. This is just, whew, Lord have mercy. I hope you guys are taking all of this in. Take it all in. Wow. Hold on, y'all. Y'all, it's real. It's real. Ooh, wee. Man, oh man. Thank you, Jesus, for everything. Thank you for your earthly creations. You inspire me to be good. You inspire me to do right. Let your light shine through the heavens and the earth. Hope you guys enjoy this. Y'all, this is beautiful. Y'all hear this? I'm just sitting here relaxing in his peace. It's just an amazing day. So amazing. It's hot here too, y'all. It's really hot. It's like, I think it got up to 90 today. We had a little rain and stuff earlier, but yeah. So guys, I'm going to see you all. I'm going to sit here for about 5 more minutes and then I'm going to go home and then we'll chit chat a little bit more. welcome back. So I promised y'all I was gonna show y'all. I'm about down to this much of my tea. This was raspberry, wild raspberry tea. It does have caffeine in it though. Really good. So if you're ever interested in checking out, like, it's called herbal. Hold on, y'all. Let me get it right. And I'll give you guys the flyer. But it's herbalife.com or something like that. But it's a nutritionist store that I went to, and the lady gave me a card. So I'm just gonna show y'all that if you are interested in like getting your own teas, they're like powdered teas, natural teas that make you lose weight, and then like her card will show, like I'll show you. It says like it shows like before and after her weight loss. So I didn't want to put. I'll just give you this. If you want to screenshot it like that. So this is one of the ladies I met in the store, and then like that's what she looks like now. But yeah, Herbalife teas is really, really good. Like I said, I got this much left, and this is from earlier. It was loaded with ice, and they go to the back and they show you how to make it, and they put, it's just like all kind of nutritional stuff, and it gives you energy and stuff like that. So guys, look at the pot. Can y'all see it? Can y'all see that? So I'm gonna show y'all real quick. She's still wet down here, but if you can see it, let me show y'all. If you can see it, it's sculptured really, really good. So I'm gonna show y'all real quick how I do that. So if you guys want to do it yourself, you'll know how to. Okay. So all you're doing is taking the plaster like that. That's all you're gonna do is take plaster, and I'm gonna take a little bit. Let me show y'all. I'm gonna show y'all a part that has like the little black stuff on it, because then I'm gonna take, once I'm done with this, I'm gonna take it outside and let it dry. It's like 7:32 right now. So that's all you're doing, guys. You're just taking it and you just putting the plaster all over it like so. And you can put any kind of like, you know, decoration on it. And then once it gets hard, I will figure out if I want to paint this white or black. So yeah, I just wanted you to have a different look to it. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna finish doing this after I eat. So yeah, let's get ready to, I need to put my stuff away. Uh-oh. She is not trying to spill her tea now, not on her chair. She's not trying to do that. I'm gonna put my bag up. Yeah, I'm so hungry. Like I said, it's 7:30. I got home like really, really, really late. So yeah, but I had a great day. Really great day. I need to bring my plant baby in. Oh yeah, we dark. Hold on. I need to bring my plant baby in. Well, one of the plant babies I need to bring in out here. Let me show y'all. Come on, camera, stop that. What are you doing? Here's the ooh, can y'all see it? Can you see the plant baby? She growing really good, ain't she? Yep, I've been putting them outside, letting them kind of like letting them plant babe or whatever. So yeah, y'all, it's hot as heck outside. Like it is hot, like really, really hot, really hot. Y'all see this? She's sweating a little bit. But yeah, guys, I hope you all enjoyed today's video. I know it wasn't a lot of anything, but like I said, thank you all for tuning in for yesterday's live. I appreciate it. I don't know, tomorrow's Friday, y'all. I don't know. See, once I start doing something and put my mind to something, I'll stay doing it. So I don't know, y'all. I might want to do some more lives. I don't know. We'll see. I need to start this machine. Hold on, y'all. I need to start this washing machine. But yeah, guys, I might just do that. Okay? I might just do that. We'll have to see. We'll have to see. But first of all, now she can't wash no clothes if she ain't plugged up nothing. But y'all let me know if y'all enjoyed the live, because depending on if you enjoyed it, would I actually, you know, there we go. Would I actually do another one? So let me know in advance if y'all enjoyed it. Y'all see this Method laundry detergent? It smells so good. And this is how much I have left. And I think, y'all remember when I hauled this? It ain't been that long. No, it's been a minute. It's been a minute. And I hauled this at a different time. The laundry method booster. This smells so good. So while we do got a little light outside, I think once these finish washing, I kind of can like hang these up and outside, and it will be dry. So yeah, guys, I will probably see y'all tomorrow in a live or in another video. And yeah, be blessed in all you do. Be grateful, be thankful. Like I said, today is a day of abundance. Y'all, it's just so much gratitude. There's so much we have. Just be grateful for what you have, okay? This is tea time. Don't worry about what other people got. Don't be looking at what other people got. Because even though people may have things that look like they winning or something, they still might not be happy inside. So don't ever look at nobody else's life like yours don't mean anything. Trust me. If you got peace, you got everything you need, okay? And think about it. If you got peace and health, you got everything you need. A lot of people do not have no peace. So, yeah. I just want to leave y'all with that. And always remember, love yourself so that you will love others, so this world will be a much better place. See you guys. All right. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye, y'all.